Right now we are at Taijiang County, the southwest of China's Guizhou province. And the Sisters Festival is an ancient courtship festival of the ethnic Miao group. Local people will hold many activities to celebrate this festival. This year, to boost local tourism, they have arranged half marathon, dancing parade, dragon dancing, and long table banquet. In this festival, local people were wearing their delicate costumes and singing and dancing and walking around. Please join me to enjoy this festive mood.